A good day. Welcome to another lesson. Mathematics. Today we want to carry on with November 2020. We want to do question 4. What does it read? It says it is given that the matrix A is 2, 4, x3, and the matrix B is 5, minus 1. And in A, you are required, the question says, simplify leaving your answer in terms of x. You are required to find A squared. And B, you are required to find A2, you are required to find AB. And B, you are required, and it says, if matrix A is a singular matrix, it's a singular, find the value of what? The value of x. Okay, so there's no space here to write. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the question. I'll try to copy the question down. So what are you given? You are given that A is equals to 2, 4, x, and 3. And B is equals to 5 minus 1. And part A, 1, you are required to find A squared. And a common mistake, what most learners will do, they will say 2, 4, x, 3, and they would want to square each number. They will go and square each number. This is a common mistake and it's very wrong. When we are saying A squared, we mean 2x, 4, 3, multiply by 2, 4, x, 3. And you know, how do you multiply these matrices? To multiply this matrix is going to be 4. You will say 2 multiplied by 2 plus x multiplied by 4. So it's going to be 4 plus 4x. Then 2 multiplied by x, which is 2x, plus x multiplied by 3, which is what? Which is 3x. And 4 multiplied by 2, then 3 multiplied by 4. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, plus 3 multiplied by 4 is what? Is 12. Then 4 multiplied by x, which is 4x. Then 3 multiplied by 3, which is what? Which is 9. Then this gives you, and you know you can't add 4 to a number with a variable, but this one gives you 16. This one gives you 5x and 4x plus 9. That is what? That is your answer. That is your answer. Then part 2, it says, you are required to find AB, which is equals to, your A is 2, no, it's 2x, sorry. It's 2, 2x, 4, 3, multiply by your B is 5 minus 1. What do we have? We have a 2 by 2 matrix multiplied by a what? A 2 by 1. So what our answer is going to be what? A 2 by 1 matrix. So this one gives you 10, minus x, and 20 minus 3. You will say this one multiplied by this one plus this one multiplied by this one, which is equals to 10 minus x. Then you go on to say 4 multiplied by what? By 5 plus 3 multiplied by 1 by minus 1, which gives you what? Minus 3. Then it gives you this one, you leave it in terms of x, and this becomes what? Becomes 17. Then we want to do the last one, number B. And we said this one is 17, sorry. So that is your answer. Now we want to do B. B, I'm going to do it here. Then I'm going to do my B here. Where it says, given that A is a singular matrix, find the value of A. But what do we know about a singular matrix? A singular matrix, we know that its determinant is equals to what? Is equals to 0. So how do you find the determinant? In this case, there is your B, your A. You will say 2 multiplied by 3 minus 4 multiplied by x. So in this case, it's 6 minus 4x. But they are saying it's a singular matrix. A singular matrix, it means its determinant is equals to 0. Then I need to what? To make x the subject of the formula. 6 goes to that side, becomes minus. If you divide by minus 4, you divide by minus 4. Therefore, your x is equals to 3 over 2. Then you are what? You are done. Why are we equating to 0? Yeah, we are equating to 0 because they said it's a singular matrix. On a singular matrix, we know that the determinant should be equal to what? Should be equal to 0. But how do you find the determinant? We know that you say the value of A multiplied by the value of C minus the value of B multiplied by the value of what? Of D. So in this case, which will be 2 times 3, which is 6, multiplied by 4 times x, which is minus 4. So that will be what? That will be your answer. Thank you for watching it. Enjoy your day.